Today, I am going to tell you difference between TradeWiz and Nova. TradeWiz and Nova are two powerful trading solutions, each designed for different types of traders. TradeWiz is an AI-powered trading assistant that supports stocks, forex, and cryptocurrency trading. It integrates machine learning to provide predictive insights, real-time trade execution, and AI-driven risk management. With a user-friendly dashboard and high customization options, TradeWiz is ideal for beginner and intermediate traders looking to optimize their strategies while maintaining full control. It also includes backtesting tools to analyze historical data and refine trading strategies, along with strong security features like encryption and two-factor authentication. Nova, on the other hand, is a more advanced AI-driven trading bot that supports forex, stocks, and crypto markets. It utilizes deep AI and neural network-based analysis to optimize trade decisions with ultra-fast execution speeds. Nova's smart automation features allow for highly customized trading strategies, making it a preferred choice for expert traders and institutions. It also boasts AI-powered fraud detection and predictive risk management, ensuring safer trading environments. With an advanced and customizable user interface, Nova caters to professionals who require detailed insights and complex trade execution strategies. While TradeWiz follows a monthly or annual subscription model, Nova offers a tier-based pricing structure with enterprise options, making it a flexible solution for high-level traders.